Hey there, it's Don with the DIY Collaborative, and for all you pool owners, you may have equipment like this. It's our scrubber and one of our dipping nets on a pool pole, but we've got some pretty tired, cranky looking hooks that we'd like to replace. And we were talking to Galipps Gadgets. It's one of my sons has a YouTube channel, and he recently got into 3D printing, and he printed some next level hooks that we're going to install. And I just think these are really cool and really heavy duty and nice looking. So we're going to get started and get these old nasty rusty metal ones down and get these new ones up. So here's another little tip. We love to share tips. I've got some metal anchors in these fence posts holding these old brackets up, and you may not be sure what size they are. So just take your thumb and press it and hold it on the head of the fastener, and then you can look at it like that, and you can compare it to the size of your drivers. And I'm going to say it's 1/4 of an inch. So let's see. Sure enough, that is exactly 1/4 of an inch in size. Okay, so let's get those removed. These are just actually metal anchors with an actual drill bit on the tip of them is what I had originally used to mount these brackets with. But again, as you can see, these are kind of nasty and rusty, and I don't know, they've probably been around as long as this pool has, and this pool was built 24 years ago. So it's probably time. And again, we're going back with these really cool heavy duty next level hooks that my son with Galipps Gadgets YouTube channel 3D printed. And these things are beefy, heavy duty. And we're just going to mount these like this. And what I'm probably going to have to do is maybe relocate this fence wire, which I'll just move it down below here. So I've got a good spot to anchor these. Okay, we've got our fence tie wire removed or moved up to where these would fit right there. And I'm actually going to go with these existing fasteners because I was able to use the top existing hole that's already there. And when I'm tightening these with the screw gun, I don't want to get carried away because I don't want to break this plastic material that these are 3D printed with, but I think this is going to be perfect. Yeah, pretty nice. All right, so let's get the second one mounted and we'll give it a spin and see how they work and how they look. Okay, we've got our new hooks mounted, and I think because we have 2 poles, we're actually going to put one like that on the bottom with the brush attachment down on this end of this pole, and the one that I keep that's a collapsible pole that has a net on the end of it, we're going to flip it around and put it in the bracket like that. So these are, you know, these are going to be perfect for what I needed and for what I wanted. So if you like these hooks, be sure and check out my son David's YouTube channel, Galipps Gadgets. He 3D printed these. He prints a lot of other stuff, but he does a lot of other, home repairs and things like that. So maybe, give him some love. Go check out his channel. Like our video, like his videos. Give us some comments or suggestions down in the comment section. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next video.